Okay guys, these are our barbecued Cornish hens. That looks amazing. Okay guys, we are doing Sunday dinner. We are making Cornish hens today. Turn these over on the breast down. Everything that I'm cooking today is going to be in the oven. We're having Cornish hen, roasted potatoes, and roasted asparagus. So I wanted these to be barbecue chicken. I've been craving it, and I thought, you know what, I'm just going to put barbecue sauce on these Cornish hens. We don't even need to season it. This is how easy this is. So we're just going to pop it into a 350-degree oven. We're going to let it cook for like 45 minutes. Okay, these are small gold potatoes. We're just going to take them and put them right on a sheet pan. And I'm doing enough because we're going to have leftovers. I like to make hash browns out of my roasted potatoes the next couple days. So I go ahead and cook the whole bag. This is one of my really easy go-to meals. And this will serve a family of 4. I'm going to go ahead and spray these potatoes with a little bit of olive oil. Get them coated really good. If you got any bad potatoes, or you got a bad spot, just kind of cut it out. You don't want to eat bad spots. And then we're going to cut up about 2 tablespoons of butter. Just going to put it right in, and then that way they don't burn. These potatoes don't burn. You can have this meal all prepped out, and when you get home from church, you can just pop it in the oven or wherever you're doing. If you do your Sunday dinners another night or like a Friday night with family, that is fine. Okay, so now we are going to put on garlic salt. We're not going to put on salt. We're going to put on garlic salt. And this it does not want to come out. So we're going to open it up. And we've got quite a bit on there. Just going to kind of season it up a little bit. And we want these good and flavorful. So we got butter and garlic, a little bit of olive oil, and now we're going to put on some black pepper. Let me wash my hands. We're just going to put on this black pepper. That is it. Okay, so we're going to put these in about 30 minutes after we've put in our chicken. I absolutely love asparagus. I don't purchase it very often. It's so expensive. Okay, I left the band on because we're going to just cut right at the band. Because we don't want all those woodsy stalks of our asparagus. So, there's our asparagus on our sheet pan. We're going to do the same thing, but we're not going to use garlic salt. We're going to spray olive oil. We're going to put on a little bit of pepper. Okay, now we're going to put on just a little bit of kosher salt. I don't use a lot of kosher salt, but I do like it on my asparagus. All right, we're going to set this right up there beside the potatoes. This only takes about 20 minutes to cook. Wow, they're looking so good. Okay, now we are going to put on some barbecue sauce. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put on some more barbecue sauce. Okay, we're going to get them in the oven. Let them finish up. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put in our asparagus and our potatoes. I just used 2 small sheet pans and put them on one big one. So everything we're having for dinner today is in the oven. What a simple, delicious, fresh meal. Look at that. Oh my gosh. They are beautiful. And we're just spooning it right on. Wow. We want these to be 165 degrees internally, and they are. Our potatoes are almost done. Wow. That looks amazing. We're going to go ahead and let these sit in our casserole dish and kind of let all those juices come in. Oh my gosh. Absolutely amazing. These are our potatoes. Oh my gosh. This is such a simple, easy meal. You can make this. You can make this. You can have Sunday dinner every day. Oh my goodness. You can do this. Okay guys, these are our barbecued Cornish hens. Look at that plate of food. We have our Cornish barbecue, roasted Cornish hen, our little baby potatoes, and our asparagus. Oh my gosh. Little doggy ran in the kitchen and my husband is coming out. They know when it's time to eat. They literally melt in your mouth. And asparagus, oh my gosh. They're crunchy, crispy. They're so crispy. The asparagus is so crispy. And you know we're going to try this Cornish hen. All right, so we got the little leg off. Guys, it's so good. For dessert today, we're having a little bit of banana bread, and I'm putting a little bit of that. It is the Kerrygold cinnamon sugar, and I'm just putting it right on top of my banana bread, and that is what our dessert is for Sunday dinner. You can make Sunday dinner any time of the week, whether it's a Monday night, Tuesday night, whatever night that you want to get your family together, or if you want to have something special, but bring back Sunday dinner into your life. You guys go, oh, that Cornish hen, oh my gosh. You guys go, have a wonderful, wonderful day.